দর্শক আপনারা হ্যাপেনিং আওয়ার দেখছেন। আমাদের পরবর্তী আয়োজন হ্যাপেনিং পয়েন্ট। আজকে আমাদের হ্যাপেনিং পয়েন্ট অতিথি হিসেবে থাকবেন রৌনক ভার্মা, ভাইস প্রেসিডেন্ট এবং কান্ট্রি ম্যানেজার, সিএনএইচ ইন্ডাস্ট্রিয়াল ইন্ডিয়া প্রাইভেট লিমিটেড।
We are part of the Fiat Group, so the same holding company that has investments in the Fiat Group are also major shareholders of CNH Industrial. It's a $20 billion group. We just went through a spin-off in the beginning of this year where we hived off the on-highway division, which is Iveco brand, and the FPT business. And now we are a pure play in terms of agriculture and construction equipment under Case IH brand and New Holland brand in the India and SAARC markets. If you look at the India market, the business size of CNH Industrial is close to about $900 million, both in domestic and export. And the India and SAARC market, I think, is a very strong and a very important and strategically important market for us, given its manufacturing footprint and the large volumes of tractors and the unique small tractor heritage that we have here. Bangladesh is a very, very important market for us, and if you look at of all the SAARC markets, I think this year Bangladesh seems to be doing the best out of them. The others have quite a few complications coming out of either out of liquidity or out of internal crises. But the Bangladesh economy remains strong, and I think it's proven to withstand the challenges that we have faced over the last couple of years. So we are present in both the agriculture and construction equipment space. The construction equipment industry is relatively small. Our product portfolio is essentially in backhoe loaders, vibratory compactors. We are now introducing the 20-ton excavator in the Bangladesh market. But we have a long time partnership with the Bangladesh Army, where we have a fleet of over 50 dozers and wheel loaders, and they're prized customers of ours. On the agriculture side, it's mainly in the form of tractors. So we sell both under Case IH brand and New Holland brand. We participate, which our heritage is in the more than 50 or higher horsepower tractors, which is higher than 50 horsepower. And there, where we participate, we are almost over 30% market share combined. What we want to do is now penetrate the market, which is 40 to 50 horsepower market, where I think bringing our product portfolio and our strengths to the market can help the Bangladesh customers and the farmers like we have in India as well. So that's an area where we are launching new products, and also we want to strengthen our product portfolio. We have very able distributor partners here in Bangladesh, both for Case and New Holland, and they bring their strengths to the table that helps us market our products really well. So look, all SAARC markets are sort of similar in nature, and it's like sort of an extension. What we are seeing is that there has been 3 years of pretty good rainfall, and the commodity prices are holding pretty well. So we expect that the farm economy within India and the SAARC regions, and Bangladesh included, should remain strong. There are some fundamental areas where the total industry size has sort of plateaued between 7,000-8,000 tractors and has not grown beyond that. And there are some systemic changes that could help us. This is what we have seen, I would say, in markets like India, which used to be maybe a 400,000 tractor market, is now over 900,000 and can hit a 1 million tractor market soon. A lot of these are structural changes that were brought in a way, like the government is doing here for combine harvesters, to help there in sort of a subsidized manner to introduce the products and promote the products. The other thing I think which is a challenge is and remains a constraint is financing. Okay, and we have seen that financing can unlock affordability of tractors. And this is an area where we deal with personally as well. As a group, we have a captive finance company under the brand of CNH Industrial Capital. And that essentially finances our dealers and end customers. In markets such as Bangladesh or other distributor markets, we tend to tie up with financial institutions that can work with our customers to provide them affordable tractors and equipment for their needs. So this is something that we are going to explore, but I think what has helped in terms of an infrastructure is there is some sort of a program that promotes this from the government side for agri equipment or agricultural equipment. That has led to an expansion of the industry, and it helps the mechanization, productivity and efficiency of agriculture in the country. You can't get away from mechanization. I think mechanization brings a lot of benefits. First and foremost, I see there is a lot of development in Bangladesh, and when that happens, typically the labor moves towards industrial activity because it's less laborious and it's higher paying. So industrialization always attracts laborers away from the fields and the farms. That's what we see in developed markets, and that is imminent, and it's going to happen. It's happening in India. It will happen here, and therefore I think the only answer to that is to bring mechanized solutions. But not only does it you feel a need, it also improves the efficiency and productivity of crop. So remember, we're going to always have to feed people, and we'll have to feed more people. So, and the land is not growing. So our way out of this is essentially having better productivity from our land. And mechanized solutions, the way we plant, when we harvest, the type of harvesting we do, mechanized versus manual is not a comparison. I think the economy benefits, people benefit, prices benefit, and I think mechanization is the way that we can improve productivity of agriculture. So in terms of offer, look, we have what we want to do is bring the right technological products into the country that answers or provides solutions for our customers. We are a strong and a market leader across the world in terms of agriculture equipment technology. What we're also bringing are now trying to tie digital capabilities with the equipment. Today in markets like India and Bangladesh, really what we are looking for is bringing telematics in there so we can monitor the productivity of our machines, how long it has been running, how efficiently the machine has been running, what the cost is, and also allows for very quick service updates and critical alerts that then we can attend to if our customer needs that without them having to call us. That's a solution that we have already brought in our high-end tractors, and we want to continue to penetrate that down the path. We also want to bring out our customer application where we can connect our customers so that they are aware of the new products, the ways that we work in, and connects them to our distribution, whether it is for service, whether it's for parts, whether it is for any question or technician availability that they would need. And there we can directly offer to our products opportunities to avail better services out of Case New Holland.